itong data na ito. But initially, ang aking impression dito, Mr. Chair, there is a big possibility that during the time of 2008 and between 2008 and 2015, baka hindi intensified ang pag-raid sa case sa mga drugs. Because in 2016, when the President Duterte sat, there was a strict order na magkaroon ng fight against drugs. So yung na-intensify yung laban sa drugs, kaya maraming nare-report ng mga cases, kaya tumaas ito.
And that's the reason.
But if I remember right, Mr. Chair, I don't know if that was during the inaugural SONA ni President Duterte or one of his press conference, na sinabi niya na the reason na gusto niyang gawin tong fight against drugs is because the Philippines is already becoming a narco state. Or parang sinabi niya, we are already in a state of narcotics. Parang it's something to that effect. That is why na-intensify yung fight against drugs. And that is isusuportan ko yung sinabi ni General Fajardo na during the time na COP siya, hindi ko alam kung LCE tayo nun na chairman, talagang yung mga police, inutusan talaga na mag-intensify sa laban sa drugs. And siguro that's the reason kung bakit mataas yung reporting ng year 2016 na umabot siya ng 4 million.
Yes. Yun ang ating pong pag-uusapan sa next hearing, no? Yung sudden jump from 1.8 to 4 million. And at the same time, ano yung policy that was implemented from 2004 to 2008 until 2015? Kasi mababa po siya eh.